Hello guys, so the first thing you have to do is find the PowerPoint presentation, and then after that click the plus button and then choose the theme that you want. After that, write the topic as you can see on the screen. I write the topic, and then now I am writing information about ICT, about what is ICT in education. And now you can edit the font by tapping the letters and edit it. And now you can add a transition and then choose the best transition that's suitable for your PowerPoint presentation. After putting the transition, and now you can add an animation and choose an animation. So now let's try the Google slide. First is you have to choose a theme and then write the topic, which is the significant impact of ICT in education. So and then just follow the steps one by one by watching the video. So now I'm going to discuss the difference of Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides. Microsoft and Google Slides are two popular presentation tools with key differences. PowerPoint is a feature-rich, offering advanced design, animations, and offline access, but requires a paid. While the requires a paid Microsoft 365 subscription. So while the Google Slides, on the other hand, is free, cloud-based, and excels in real time. Collaboration is seamlessly integrated with allowing Google Drive allowing multiple users to edit simultaneously. However, it has fewer design options than PowerPoint. So PowerPoint is better for detailed professional presentations, while Google Slide is ideal for collaboration and accessibility. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize advanced feature or easy of use and real-time collaboration. So that's it, and thank you.